To my channel, I'd like to show you how to be able to lift prints up off a sheet of glass. And on my sheet of glass I have some black and some silver paint, and I've got some marbles inside a tin which I've removed the base of, and I'm just using the marbles to roll around on the surface to lift the paint and move it in different directions. Where you've got this lovely sort of soft grainy effect, I've added water in, and because the silver is metallic, it's kind of caused it to almost look a little bit like mercury. So to lift my print, I'm going to take a sheet of 160 gram card, I'm going to make it into a U, press it down onto my glass and gently roll it outwards, pressing all directions and this side as well. Okay, you'll see because it has a bit of water in it, it's paint, it has lifted up quite nicely. And then I'm going to lift up my color, and there you've got a very, very nice mottled, almost a sky kind of background. I'm going to roll my tin with the marbles over here again, because there is still quite a lot of paint on this surface, and I'm actually just splashing a little bit more water. It's just really hot where I am here today, so the paint will dry very quickly if I don't do that. So I'm just using this to agitate, and I think I quite like what I've got there. So I'm going to take another piece of card, again folding that into a U and just gently pressing it down in the center and rolling it out to one side and to the other. You don't have to leave it down terribly long, and then just gently lift it up. And each print will be completely different. This is a lovely way to get a background for a design that you might be doing. So I hope that you will be encouraged and try some of this at home. Bye for now.